I smell snow. Deer poo. Deer poo. That's old. Ah. What else do we smell? Deer musk. Deer musk. Somebody bedded down. Oh yeah. Deer musk. Somebody bedded down around here. Probably last night. That's really pungent. Oh, closer. And it's cool because it was that close to home camp. Not close enough for my security camera on the roof to pick it up though. It's amazing what happens out here at night. Yeah, here we go. Somebody bedded down probably out there where the wolf child is pooping. Probably out there where it's a little thicker and cozier. I'm guessing out there somewhere. That's even fresher. I don't see a bed.